Welcome to this lesson on using the Contractor Safety Management Template. In this lesson, I will demonstrate how this tool helps us plan, track, and monitor contractor activities to ensure safe and compliant operations from the beginning of a project to its completion. So when you open this template, it will open the first worksheet, which is our dashboard. Then our next worksheet is our report. Then our third worksheet is our safety management plan worksheet, where we'll be capturing all the records. The main dashboard provides a visual snapshot of contractor performance and timelines using four-colored status bar. The green bar represents contractors who are still within their approved contract period and are progressing as planned. The yellow bar highlights those approaching the end of their contract duration, showing that their work will be due for completion soon and may require closer monitoring. The red bar identifies contractors who are overdue, meaning their expected finish date has passed and follow-up action or escalation may be needed. Finally, the gray bar represents contractors who are no longer required to track, either because the contract has been closed, cancelled, or successfully completed. This color-coded layout makes the status of contractors instantly clear at a glance. It is also important for the dashboard to reflect how many contractors have been recorded in the system within a given date range. This allows users to analyze contractor activity over time, understand workloads, and assess how many projects were initiated, carried out, or completed within a specific period. Tracking the number of contractor entries within a date range helps management monitor trends, evaluate seasonal work demand, and review performance and compliance patterns. Overall, tracking contractors is vital for ensuring safety, performance, accountability, and compliance on site. Contract monitoring helps verify that work is progressing as planned, safety controls are being followed, deadlines are met, and responsibilities are clearly assigned. It also supports early detection of delays or risk, promotes better planning and communication, and provides documentation for reporting, audits, and future decision making. A well-designed dashboard makes all of this easier by presenting information in a way that encourages proactive management and continuous improvement. So we have our chart, this one, which is showing the duration status. And for the green bar, we have one record, and then it's still for due soon, we have one, and also for overdue, and then tracking time lapse. These ones are no longer necessary to track. And then on the right, we also have another contractor pre-qualification chart, which is showing all contractors that have been approved, those are still pending, or those that are rejected. On the top left corner, we have 6 records which we have entered in the table in the contractor safety management worksheet. These are the 6 records. Here also we have the current date, right? Then here we have the total records between a given date range. So this is the start date and also the end date. So we'll be getting all these dates in this column. Let me check here. In column A, right? So these are the 6 records we have. Now let's just try to change to 2024 year. Let's say 2024. So as you can see, between 24 July 2024 to 1 November 2025, we have 3 records. So basically that's how you use this. So moving on, we also have this report. Let me just show you the overview of the report. So this report section is designed to give you a focused view of a single record pulled from the full table. By entering a specific ID, the contractor ID, this is our ID, the form retrieves all related details for that record for this ID, such as uh, the contractor name, uh, contractor pre-qualification, contractor safety matrix, remaining days status, contractor safety officer, allowing for quick reference or updates. This setup is made possible using a combination of the VLOOKUP and if functions, which dynamically fetch and display data from the main table. In the next worksheet, capturing data one record at a time ensures accuracy and simplifies reviewing or editing. So basically all the IDs are recorded in column D. So always make sure to only use these IDs exactly as they are. Please watch out my tutorial on Excel formulas and formulas to understand how this system works. So this is the formula which I'm using to retrieve data from the safety management plan worksheet. So in this worksheet we have column D. We'll be recording all the IDs, the contractor IDs, right? So if we enter an ID in the report here, if you look up function and the if function will automatically retrieve data from this table, right? So let's change in our report. I think we have T center 6, right? This is our T center 6 in D13. So let's change to T center 8 or any other. You can double click here. Let's say T center 8. T center 8, right? So you have to click anywhere in the worksheet. As you can see, it is retrieved all the data for this. But let's see what happens when we try to enter an ID which is not in column D. Let's say we enter H56, and if we click anywhere, as you can see, it will display all these errors. So we always make sure to use the correct IDs as they are in column D. So let's change it to T center 6. And as you can see here in this contract description, it's not fitting well. So as you can see in this, it's not fitting well, right? We have so many characters in the description, contract description here, but I've made use of a macro, which when you click the Save as Word button, it would automatically fit all these characters in the safety Word document. So if you want to learn more, please watch out my tutorial. I'll put the link in the description below on how to save this report as a Word document and also as a PDF document. So in this worksheet again, I'm also using macros. So if the search button, the add new row button, the delete button, save as PDF button, the save as Word button, the filter data button, and above the table also have this mini summary table which is just showing the key indicators from this table. So when you change a date, it will automatically update here and also the chart in the dashboard. Let's see what happens when you change a date. Here we have still on time, which is 11 March 2026, right? If you change this to 2023, let's see what happens. As you can see, it is automatically updated that this project is no longer necessary to track or tracking time lapsed, right? So if you go to the summary table, you find out that still on time we now have 0. Then tracking time we now have 3 records. And if you go to the dashboard again, you find out that we no longer have a bar for the still on time, but for the tracking time lapsed, remember we had 2, now we have 3, right? So let's see how to change here for the contractor pre-qualification. So if you come to contractor pre-qualification, I've made use of this drop-down list. So it was on pending. Let's say if we say approved, now we no longer have pending. As you can see, now we have zero record. And if you come to the dashboard, we now have zero for this. So what are Excel macros? Excel macros are automated sets of instructions that perform repetitive tasks in Excel with just one click. They are created using a programming language called VBA, which stands for Visual Basic for Applications. In the workplace, macros help by saving time. They automate tasks like formatting, copying data, generating reports, or printing documents, reducing human error. Since macros follow exact instructions, they minimize mistakes from manual data entry or repeated tasks, improving efficiency. Employees can focus on more important tasks while macros handle the routine work. Standardizing processes. Macros ensure the same steps are followed every time, which helps maintain consistency in reports or data handling. Overall, macros help streamline operations and improve productivity in any environment that use Excel regularly. So in a nutshell, I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to use this template more effectively to streamline your reporting and data management. These tools are built to save you time, reduce errors, and improve the way you track important workplace data. Stay tuned for more tutorials coming soon, and please don't forget to share this video with anyone who might find it useful. If you are looking for Excel templates, check out my website or feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the video description as well as the channel description. Thank you for watching.